Fork-tailed Drongos in the pouring rain. We have had soft rain all night, but when a really heavy downpour of rain started, the Drongos were in their element. I watched them immediately start spreading their wing feathers to catch the heavy rain. Why would they do that, you may ask? Birds love to bathe in shallow puddles of water or in a heavy rain shower. The rain washes the dirt off their feathers, and it also helps with feather maintenance. The bird starts to preen and remove the dirt, the bacteria and the parasites on its body and feathers. The rain also helps to hydrate the skin after dry spells. Clean, well-maintained feathers help with more agile flight. Look how these Drongos were enjoying the heavy rain. And this one was even singing in the rain.